Ciao ragazzi, welcome back to Remobile per questo nuovo video on my Smart 42 2006. Today we will painting the side mirror because they're very faded and old. We will give them a new life. Enjoy the video. So here we are giving the first coat of paint. The paint is being purchased from Amazon. Paint and clear lacquer was £20. It was the classic silver Mercedes. Now we will let it dry and we'll give the second coat. This was my first time painting and a side mirror on the car, and I suggest to remove the mirror from the car. It will be easier, faster and maybe better job. Even if you will see at the end, please look till the end. We will have a nice result. Please like, share and subscribe. 90% of you are only watching my video. It's free, it's just a click. Please do, that will help the channel for more content. Enjoy the video. Buona visione. Grazie. Iscrivetevi al canale per piacere. Grazie mille. It's the second coat, and I did a big mistake. I didn't use any primer because the mirror were black, pure plastic, there was no covering. I had to give few coat of paint. Next time I will use primer, definitely. Questo è il risultato prima del trasparente. This is the result before the clear lacquer. In camera look not covered properly, but in reality it is.